Hello everybody, this is Pastor James, and I'm so excited to share with you what God is doing here at Home Church. God is moving in a mighty way. Families are being restored. God is healing the sick and the brokenhearted. And people from all walks of life are coming together every week to hear a word of hope, to praise and worship the King of Kings. Together, we're learning about Jesus. If you find yourself in the northwest part of Houston, we want to invite you to one of our services. We gather every Sunday, every Tuesday, and every Saturday. Whether it be that at one point in your life you walked with the Lord but have grown distant from God, there's a place for you here at Home Church. Or perhaps you're new to the gospel and just want to have a closer relationship with the Almighty. There is also a place for you and your loved ones here at Home Church. So remember, God has a specific purpose for you. Come and be a part of the chapter that God is writing here at Home Church. We'd be blessed and excited to have you. God bless you.